Hey guys, and on today's item shop, we've got quite a few things that just came back. So let's just start off with the Street Serpent pack that's still available right here. Plus the Fortnite Dark Reflections pack, which is also available. And yes, back from Chapter 2, Season 2 is this skin right here. Together with a very fun skin also from Chapter 2, Season 2, with its pretty cool backbling. Let's not forget the perfect harvesting tool to go along with that skin. Next up, we have this one right here, which was introduced in Season 9, with a really cool backbling. We've also got Wasp, introduced in Season 9, with once again the perfect backbling, and a really cool harvesting tool, and one of those wraps that are just not that interesting. And finally, one of the funniest skins that I've seen on Fortnite, with an awesome backbling, and the perfect glider to go along with the skin. Let's not forget about the harvesting tool, which is awesome to go along with that type of skin. And yes, Double Cross is back from Season 9, together with this pretty neat skin introduced in Season 4. Finally, this pretty neat harvesting tool introduced in Season 2, Chapter 2. And finally, all our emotes, which does include this emote right here, and this awesome one. Last but not least, all our special offers where there's a bunch of skins that we can choose from, plus the bundles, which does include all of this, or you guys can choose individual things such as this backbling or this one. Now I would usually go through all the skins available, however, these are a lot of skins that are available at the moment, and I already went through them in the last item shop update, so I don't really see it that necessary to go through all of these once again. However, there's a lot to choose from, so check it out and buy the ones that you guys really like. Anyways, that would be it for this item shop update. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.